What's up, guys? Let's talk about BlockFi. We got a few different emails. The first one came in February 13th, and then we got another one, most likely, that came in a little bit later that day that has some information about how much money we have on BlockFi. I'm going to talk about how to check to make sure that is accurate. Also, taking a look at my phone, making sure it is accurate there, and if it is not, how to file a claim. So guys, I want to pause the video and talk about Aura, which is the sponsor of this video. So what Aura does is so much regarding online safety, from identity theft protection, parental controls, secure VPN, antivirus, password manager, spam list removal, which I think is really cool. They also will tell you if your information has been leaked on the dark web, and they will actually try to get it off the dark web and get your information safe, which in crypto is super freaking important because our information, whether it's our physical address or our digital identity, if that is compromised, that could really put us in danger, both physically and for a phishing attempt. So they are offering you guys a 2-week free trial going to my link below, which is aura.com/Aaron Bennett. Aura.com/Aaron Bennett. All right, guys, now let's get back to the video. So to start out, going over this email I got on February 13th, it says, beginning today, BlockFi clients will receive important info regarding the proof of claim process from Kroll. Now you'll notice the second email that I got here, the email address is ra.kroll.com. So very important that you always check who is sending you these emails, because there are some fake phishing emails going around to try to steal your information. The email says you can now look up your listed claims and BlockFi wallet account balance online. You can check how BlockFi has listed your claims in the schedules of assets and liabilities for the interest account, the private client, loans, and the BlockFi wallet by visiting the Kroll website. And if you click this link where it says here, that takes you to this website, which I'll get to in just a moment. And here it says this is what you'll see on your personalized dashboard on the website, which will include all of your claims and your BlockFi wallet account balances. So it'll have the debtor name, it'll have the schedule numbers, the claim amount. So next it says you do not need to submit a claim if you agree with your scheduled amount. Basically, no further action is required if you agree. Now, this is the same for Celsius, for Voyager, and most likely for FTX. Basically, all these Chapter 11s, if you agree with the account balances, you are instructed not to do anything extra. You don't need to do anything. But here it says if you believe that your claim info is incorrect or incomplete, you may file a proof of claim, and the deadline to do so is March 31st, so we still have a while. So the dollar amounts listed on the schedules are based on the coin values as of the date that BlockFi filed for Chapter 11, which is November 28th. And here it says clients will be receiving info from Kroll. Again, I got this email a few minutes or a few hours later, and it is from Kroll. So this is what they're referring to. It looks like the name of this email, or the title, is Important Information Related to BlockFi Inc.'s Proof of Claim Process. So scrolling up a little bit under number 1, if you clicked the link here, it would take you to this website. And this is where you can submit a claim if you disagree with what they said. Here it says, how do I check my scheduled claim amount? You can click this link right here, and that will open up this page right here. So I will just go through this with you guys and let you know how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is enter the email address on file with BlockFi. You will click no for have you received your unique ID, and here you will enter your BlockFi account ID. And to find your BlockFi ID, you will click this link, and that'll take you over to BlockFi where you can sign in. Go to the top right corner, click the arrow, and then select reports. So right here, top right, click report. Now it says select 2022 from the earnings statements dropdown and download your October 2022 earnings statements. So right here, you will just click this little down arrow for October 2022. And right here is my statement. I'm going to block out my address and all that kind of information, but right here you can see account ID. There are some letters and numbers here. So you will copy and paste that. You will go back to this original page. You will paste your BlockFi account ID, and then you will go ahead and click submit. And once you click submit, it'll reload this page. And on the very bottom, it'll say, thank you for your submission. Your Kroll ID will be sent to you shortly. Due to high demand, this can take up to 30 minutes. So immediately I got an email from BlockFi with a unique ID. So what I'm going to do is copy and paste to this 16-digit number. I'm now going to head back to this page, and I got here from the original email where it is under number 1. It says here, you will click that. I'm going to go ahead and click here, right here. It's going to open up this page again. So I'm going to enter my email like I did before. This time I'm going to click yes. And then I am going to paste my Kroll issued unique ID, which I just got from the email they sent me. And it loads this page after I click submit. And this is how much money I have. It's not much, but I just wanted to show you the process. So I have 7 cents in the BIA interest account. And if I scroll down, I have like 1 cent of GUSD and 0.005 Bitcoin. And this also corresponds to the email that I got back on February 13th. So if I scroll down here, it will show me that I have 7 cents in the BIA interest account and then very small amounts of GUSD and also of Bitcoin. And heading to the actual wallet online, which you can also use your phone to do this, I will compare and I will see that it is actually accurate. So I have $130.86 for Bitcoin. If I scroll here, I have 0.00529 Bitcoin, which is exactly what shows up here, 0.00529 Bitcoin. Also corresponds to the email that I got on February 13th. You can see here the Bitcoin amount, 0.01 GUSD. Here, 0.01 GUSD. And actually, I don't even see this 7 cent claim amount anywhere on my account, but it's 7 cents. I really don't care. So to end this video, I do want to mention a few things. If you take a look at the claim, it is just for the interest account. It is not for the wallet, which again, you can see in this email that we got here, where I have 0.005 Bitcoin in my wallet. Now, I was taking a look at the FAQ, which I'll include below, and it says, why weren't BlockFi wallet account balances included in the schedules? Because again, I have $130, but my claim is literally for 7 cents. So it's like, what the hell, guys? So let me just read this to you. As explained in our blog, it is our belief, meaning BlockFi's belief, that clients unambiguously own the digital assets in their BlockFi wallet accounts. Okay, that is good. Accordingly, BlockFi did not include wallet account balances on the schedules. Okay, clients do not need to submit a proof of claim for if they agree with their wallet account balances. And you can look up your wallet account balance as of the platform pause on November 10th, 2022. So what does this mean? Well, it says here, you don't need to submit a proof of claim if you agree with the wallet account balances because they believe that we own our assets in the wallet accounts. So that's really good. So basically you can go on your phone or log in online like I did. It shows what I have in my wallet, which is my whopping 1 cent of stablecoins, GUSD, and 0.00529,760 Bitcoin. And if they're like, if you agree that this is accurate, then you do not need to file a claim. And again, that is what I got sent in my email as well. And that is also what is in the schedule of assets and liabilities, which I showed you how to pull up today. It is all accurate and all the same. So this FAQ also talks about how to file a claim if needed. It's basically the same website here that we worked with this entire video. And here is where you would file a proof of claim, most likely wallet account holder, unless you have a loan. And depending on which account you had, you will receive different proof of claim forms. So mine right here, if I can get to it, will look different than yours. You may have more lines here depending on what type of accounts you have. So you may have different claims. In the FAQ, it says if you have one or more interest-bearing accounts and or a BlockFi private client fixed or an open loan, then you should have received an interest-bearing account holder proof of claim. If you have posted loan collateral, then you should have received a loan account holder proof of claim form. So it may look a little bit different than mine. And if you think that they owe you more US dollars than they show you, you can actually just verify it as of November 28th, 2022. So this is the snapshot date for how much your crypto is worth in US dollars, November 28th. And it says that you can find that exact amount in the proof of claim form. I'm not going to go there in this video, but basically they have 1 Bitcoin equals this much US dollars for all of the crypto assets that you could have had in your account. All right, guys, so that is it for the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Till next time, talk with you soon, and bye for now.